Hello, this is Brian Raya with sprint number 4. So for sprint number 4, the two big things that were done were multi-alarms as well as inputtables. So right here you can see the first alarm is this bounding sphere, which turns on and off, and the second alarm resets the player back to its origin after 10 seconds. Right there it has occurred. In the output window, when I press space, you can see bounding sphere on, even though that has nothing to do with it. It's just a simple message. And when I release, it says bounding sphere off. If I quickly tap, bounding sphere on, off, on, off, on, off, just as a quick test. But when I press R through the inputable command, that disables the alarm for the bounding sphere, as well as the output. So you can see that the output no longer outputs on off. Those were my ways of checking that I was going through the proper channels of registration and deregistration. So inputable and alarmable work roughly the same. Each one of them has on submit, it will create a struct of what is called registration data, which has a pointer to its registration command and deregistration command, its current state, and a reference to easily be placed into the list or removed. The difference between the inputable and my alarmable is that my alarmable is currently static. It only has 4 alarmables, or alarmable, the maximum of 4 alarmables per 4 alarm calls per alarmable, while my input registration can have n number of inputtables. So again, it goes through the proper channels, going through the broker and then the scene, but the big difference is the keyboard event manager. If it does not have a single key for the given key that it was provided, it will create a new manager for that single key, and then that single key in turn has a push and a release list that will go through on cycle to check to see if that key has been pressed. As you saw in the demo, I have the camera following the frigate for the scene, for the camera being a part of the scene. However, the only thing I did not complete for this sprint was game object life. I have no easy way of bringing something into a scene and removing it. Thank you very much.